I've always loved to speak about the biography of people of knowledge, ehlul-ilm, people who their knowledge has been testified and who are known for khair, known for the implementation of their knowledge, known for their righteousness. I've always loved to speak about that. We're living in a time where people love for people to know about their biographies, their lives, like they really matter. And that's not the case when it comes to me. I mean, my mashayikh, my teachers, I've seen them, being annoyed by being referred to as a shaykh, let alone any other title like that. One day I was with my Sheikh Ahmed, and we were sitting somewhere, and there was a YouTube video that I put on for him. He looked at it, and it was another person who was talking about his biography. And he gave me that look, like, what is this? And I'm not going to lie to you, that stuck with me for so long. Mm-hmm. And then I asked him, I said, Sheikh, isn't it sometimes necessary for a person to talk about their life? Just wanted to see what his view would be. And then, he was, no. And so that's why I think it's not really valuable, not important for people to speak about their biographies and their lives. You shouldn't think your life matters to other people, let alone yourself. Now, let me just say something you said, and I think it's, the idea of you saying that people want to know who they take their knowledge from. Wallahi, I say this, and Allah is my shahid, and I mean it when I say this. I am not really fussed and concerned about people, whether they take knowledge from me. I'm happy if somebody says, I don't want to take knowledge from you. Because, and I don't think I should personally, just so they can take knowledge from me, I have to give them my life and my biography. Because I'm happy when somebody says, I'm not convinced with your knowledge and your understanding. Wallahi, you're truly entitled, and no one has to listen to me. I am not the haqq, and the haqq is not connected to me. There are many hundreds of people out there who are more knowledgeable than I, who are more beneficial than I, who are more sincere and genuine than I. So again, that's what's made me never want to talk about my life again.